Domestic terrorism.
So, this is secant. What did we say the period of secant was? 2 pi. Okay, so they gave me the period of this first one, and it is 2 pi, which means what is my b value? 1. 1. Because my period didn't change, my b value is going to be 1.
Wait, hold on. Where is this at?
It's like flip over. I skipped that first page because I was like, we don't have to put it all in our calculator, so that's what it feels like a waste of time. Our b value is 1. Okay, now if you think about what we just graphed, we went up to our little hills and they went to 1, or the hills started at -1 and the valleys were at 1. So it's, well, look at where this is. And look at where this one is down here. So what's the stretch?
2, 3, 4. 4. It's one of those.
4.
Numbers.
The stretch is 4. So your vertical stretch is 4. So your a value is 4. Your C value, does it look like it's been shifted right or left at all?
No.
No, because it's right on the axis where it's supposed to be. So that's 0. Did your midline shift up at all?
No.
No. So it's also 0. So when I go to write this function, it's going to be y equals 4 secant x. All right. Looking at the next one, my period is 8. So we're back to the formula for period being 2 pi over b, because our period is 2 pi. So the formula is written up here at the top of the page. Period equals 2 pi over b. So I need to calculate my b value. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like our vertical stretch is 4 again, because it goes to get to the first peak or valley, I have to move 4 to get to it. Does it look like I have a C shift at all? No. Or a D shift? No. So y equals 4 secant pi over 4x. All right, so look at number 26. They went ahead and drew in the cosine wave for us. Why do you think they did that? Yeah, to help us see what has happened to it. I don't like the look of it. I just don't like the look of it. But what's wrong with it? Yeah, the central axis moved up. Cosine usually goes above the central axis and above the x-axis and then below the x-axis. And in this case, it didn't. It's all above the x-axis. Because my central axis moved up to where? To 2. So I know that my D value is 2. So I can go ahead and put that in. The period is 8, which we already did a period of 8. We found the B value to be pi over 4. So I can just copy that over. No right or left shift. So that's 0 again. And what about your stretch this time? If your central axis is now at 2, how much do you have to go up to get to your first valley or your first peak from your central axis? 2.
So there's.
Oh, there is one. Because you normally would be 1.
Oh. Okay.
So y equals 2 secant pi over 4x, close your parentheses, plus 2. All right, see if you can get 27. We have just enough time for you to get all the pieces to 27. Oh, if I do that, well, okay. I was just making sure it's still recording.
It looks really complicated.
Okay, so my period is the same, which means my b value is the same. It's pi over 4. My central axis has moved to where? 2 again. My stretch is also 2 again. But this time I have a horizontal shift how much? To the right 1. So when you write this, should it look like that?
She said she had the thing.
No, it's just 40 seconds behind.
I paused it, but it was still recording. But I paused that. I paused the board.
This
Yeah.
time it'll look a little weird.
Yeah, this one might look a little weird. All right, are y'all? Is everybody okay?
Oh yeah.
All right, we'll stop right there.
Are we okay? No. Definitely not. No. I don't like that.
I'm completely fine. I'm still sure my head for some reason.
It's still recording. I'm sure.